Hi Lestellars! Welcome to Lestella's mini vlog, and for today's video, I'll be lighting this green tea and bergamot scented candle while I'm doing my task for today. So this is the book that I always read for me to have positive mind and right mindset. Kasi guys, kapag pala what we feed in our mind is puro negative information, then our outlook and actions in life will also be negative. Kaya iingatan natin kung anong information yung nilalagay natin sa utak natin. After ko magbasa guys, ito nga at I had a session with my Go Negosyo mentor for my BIP or Business Improvement Plan presentation para sa KMME program ng DTI. Good day, I'm Stella Maris Macasaet and I'm the owner of La Stella Personal Care and House Care Products. And today, I'll be presenting my Business Improvement Plan. Bale, practice pa lang naman yan kasi next week pa nga yung totoong presentation. After that, I took the hat naman of a marketing staff as I edit contents for the page. So, as a one-person business, ang dami ginagawa pero I really enjoyed naman this season. Thanks to this green tea and bergamot scented candle that has hotel-like, refreshing, and sophisticated scent that adds relaxation while I'm doing my work. Message us to order if you would like to try. That's it for today's mini vlog. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts.